Hi, this is Kern Brantley with My Pro, and this is one of the songs that I laid the bass track to like back in the 90s in New York with Will Smith, a song entitled Get Jiggy With It. I'm just going to play the bass line for you, then I'll slow it down and break it down to you. But the actual bass line goes something like this. This song is basically like an octave, but it has a couple variations in the middle of it. The first octave would be in the key of B flat. So that's a straight octave with a fifth in the middle. E flat, chromatic up, and then you just keep chromatic, octave, chromatic, fifth octave, Another thing you can do is add that low F just to get a variation here. Very simple bass line. In the studio, this song pretty much repeats itself. The bass line pretty much is consistent throughout the whole song. This was probably one of Will Smith's biggest records. I recorded that song in New York sometime in the 90s, but I'm gonna do a different technique of the same bass line to get jiggy with it, but I'm gonna do it more of a funkier, poppin' type technique on that same track. Same bass line, just more with the thumb. I'm gonna do it again, a little bit slower. Octaves, chromatic up. By chromatic, I mean just straight up the line. This song has a lot of bounce to it too, so as a bass player, make sure that you have a nice bouncy feel when you're playing these type of songs. In most songs, a nice little bouncy. That's the bounce right there. Chromatic. This is the regular tempo right here. The key to these type of records is playing the pocket, having a nice solid bass line, being consistent, but letting it build on its own by you being consistent and playing a nice, solid, heavy, deep pocket. that's it. Get Jiggy with it by Will Smith.